This year for Father's Day, we asked our RestoMods fans to send us their stories of dads and classic cars. Without dads, there wouldn't be the passion for classic American muscle cars that's passed down from generation to generation. So sit back and enjoy this tribute to Father's Day and hear the stories from our fans. Hey RestoMods crew, answering your call for kick-ass father-son builds. Like many, my love for classic American muscle stems from the robust dinner table car discussions about what was hot and what was not. Back in 1971, my dad, Bones, was 18 years old and had a 1969 Mustang Mach 1428 Cobra Jet. I grew up hearing his legendary tales of face, melting torque, and white-knuckle battles against the rival 340 Dusters and BBC cars. In 2014, after a 2-year search, I was finally able to locate the right car to restore together. 28 years parked in a barn in Redwood Falls, Minnesota, was a numbers matching 1969 Mach 1. It had been tucked away and already redone once. Most of her bodywork done with galvanized tin roofing and brass brazing. Step by step and 1,000 plus orders from Summit, we did every step together. After a 6-year rotisserie resto, she earned her plates, and we continue to revel in her strength and beauty today. This was my dad's car back in high school. He ended up selling it. Then, when I was about 3 years old, we found it and got her back. This is the car that got me into working on classic muscle, and this is a pic of my son sanding on her. She has come a long way, 3 generations and counting. My son Hunter and I at a car show this summer. He grew up riding in my '72 Cuda I built with my dad, and we are restoring a '68 Firebird Ram Air 1. This is the car that started it all. I was 4 years old, sitting on milk crates, with the roof blowing off with my Uncle Charlie, getting towed home. In the early 1970s, he restored it from the ground up, and from then on, I've been going to car shows. I was 4 years old when I first remembered when I started going to car shows. I started the next generation with my son, and now he has twin boys. The picture is when I started taking my son. Growing up, my weekends were pretty predictable, covered in grease, turning wrenches with my dad and uncles. It was our family's rhythm, and I loved every minute of it. Fast forward to today, and my job at RestoMods means I get to play with amazing classic cars all week long. The best part, though, bringing my 5-year-old daughter into the fold. She's already got some serious mechanic cred. Our shop truck, Blue, got a whole new engine with her help, and she's been a regular fixture on our Ford Bronco restoration project. She practically sprints into the garage after school, ready to tackle any cleaning task or just enjoy a joyride as we shuffle cars around. This kid is seriously spoiled by the insane collection of cars we have around here. While it's cool to watch her develop her own fascination with these cars, what I really treasure is the time we spend together, sharing something I'm so passionate about. I know how much I cherish those memories with my own dad, and my biggest hope is that she'll hold these moments just as dear someday. My dad's 1969 Charger at Raceway Park in Englishtown, New Jersey. My sister and I both have had the car bug for life thanks to him. I entered to win the 1970 Charger, and if I just so happened to win, I would give it to him. He regrets ever selling his, and I know he dreams of a RestoMod 2nd Gen Charger. My dad is who got me into cars. Somewhere in a photo album is a picture of 5-year-old me, smiling cheek to cheek at a car show in front of a B5 Blue 68 Charger. What's not seen at the end of this video, for whatever reason it got cut off, is that Power Wagon sits in the backyard exactly as it is in that picture. Somehow, my dad grew to have 2 near identical cars, single cab truck, and a motorcycle in his 20s. Here I am in the same predicament, and I wouldn't have it any other way. Just a baby under the hood of Dad's 1969 GTX 440, and I've never been the same Lowell. Ever since I was little, we would go to the antique car show at Robbers Cave State Park in Oklahoma every October Fall Festival Love. Look at the old cars. my dad on the bottom part of the photo and me on the top part with my 1974 Torino GT 351 Cleveland 4 volts FMX matching numbers. Thanks for watching. If you're a dad who loves classic cars but doesn't have one, head over to RestoMods.com where you can enter to win a restored and modified 1970 Dodge Charger and $50,000 cash. Good luck and happy Father's Day.